A very good morning, children. Welcome back to the session. In the previous video classes, you have learned about the work process of CPU and also about input, output and storage devices. Isn't it, children? Today, we will start a new chapter which is very interesting. That is TuxPaint. So, chapter 2, TuxPaint. In this chapter, we will learn about the components of TuxPaint window and also the usage of the components. So in this chapter, you will learn about the components, that is parts of the TuxPaint window, and also the usage of the components or tools. Okay, children? We can draw and color on the computer just like you do on a paper. There is a software program called TuxPaint. In this program, you can draw and paint on your computer screen. You can see, children, this is a TuxPaint. It is a software program. So in this program, you can create beautiful drawings, just how you will draw the pictures in a book or a paper. TuxPaint is a drawing program designed for young children. It is very simple, easy to use and fun to work with. Okay, children? So now, let us see how to start or open the TuxPaint program. So before that, you have to install the software TuxPaint in your system. And after installing, you have to follow the steps given below. See the first step. The first step is you have to go to the start button. On the taskbar, you can see a start button. So first click the start button. Then the step 2 is click on all programs. Then you have to click TuxPaint, that is step 3. Then finally, you have to click the TuxPaint full screen. Then the title screen will appear. So you can see the title screen here. It is shown here. This is a title screen. Then after a few seconds, you can see a main screen. So this is the main screen. So the title screen will change into main screen. So the main screen has many components. So now let us see the components of the main screen. The first component is toolbar, then selector, color box, drawing canvas, help area. So these are the components of the main screen: toolbar, selector, color box, drawing canvas and help area. Okay, children? So the toolbar is located at the left side. Okay, you can see on the left side toolbar. Then in the middle, you can see a drawing canvas. Then on the right side, you can see selector. On the lower side, color box. You can see colors box. Then in the bottom, you can see help area. So these are the various components of the main screen, children. Now, let us see about these components in detail. So let us see the first component, toolbar. On the left side, you can see a toolbar as shown in the picture. So a toolbar has many tools that help to draw any picture. Can you see, children? So this is a toolbar. The toolbar will have many tools. So these tools help when you draw the pictures, the drawing area. Okay, children? Now, let us see the next component, that is selector. On the right side of the main screen, you can see a selector. Can you see, children? This is the picture. Selector, you can see. The selector keeps changing based on the option selected at the left side of the drawing toolbar. For example, when brushes are selected on the left side, that is on the toolbar, on the right hand side, that is selector, it shows various shapes are brushes available in the paint. Okay, children? Now, let us see the next component, that is colors box. In the lower side of the main screen, you can see a colors box which contain various colors that can be selected for drawing or painting. So On the lower side, you can see, so this is the colors box, children. So when you create drawings, you can select the colors from the colors box to make your drawings beautiful and colorful. Okay, now let us see the next component, that is help area. You might have noticed a bird at the bottom of the window. It's penguin, isn't it, children? So this penguin helps us by giving tips. So at the bottom you can see a small bird, that is penguin. So this penguin helps us by giving the tips to us. Okay, children, so it provides tips and helps the user of the touch paint. Now let us see the next component, that is drawing canvas. The middle area, that is the center part of the screen, is called drawing canvas. This is the largest part of the screen. This is the part where we create the drawings. Understood, children? So this is the drawing canvas. This is the largest part of the main screen. So this is the place where we draw the pictures or create the pictures. Understood, children? I hope you have understood the components of the TouchPaint program. So in the next video class, we will create a beautiful drawings by using the components of paint practically. Okay, children? So here is a small assignment for you all. Write the components of TouchPaint window. So you have to write the components of the TouchPaint window. Thank you and have a nice day.